You get in the habit of reading those nutrition labels, it tells all the story. Yep. It's just that, like, as a kid, you know, I was never taught to read nutritional labels. I didn't know a thing about it. I just saw the picture on the label or the box, and that looks good. I want it. You know, and when you actually start doing investigation and actually looking at what's in those foods, there's sugar and salt and fat in foods that you wouldn't even think would have it. Yeah? Absolutely. Absolutely. Any others?